Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So I'm actually very excited to show you guys this model here by Pulte. This is actually one of my favorite models by them. We are in the neighborhood called Pinewood at Skye Canyon in the northwest Las Vegas Valley. So what you see here is we have a 2-car garage. Now, on this model right here, this one is 3,202 square feet, 4 bedrooms, but you do have an option to go up to 5, 2.5 to 3.5 bath, and 3-car garage. The starting price, the base price is $451,880. As you can see, we do have the pavers, and these are the terracotta pavers. And you do have a color, you do have 3 elevations that you can pick and choose from. And I believe you have about 7 color schemes to pick and choose as well. Now let's go inside, because wait till you guys see this model and the way that they designed this. They did such a great job. I don't really care about the elevation, but as far as the interior of the home, I'm going to just walk you straight back. There's a lot that can be done to this model. I have a client that we built out this model. We just spent $60,000 just on structural upgrades alone. But take a look at this. I'm gonna just come right on in. Look at this. Boom. Look how gorgeous this thing is. Right? Bam! I told you. So I'm gonna make this real fast because I don't want you guys to get too bored. Right? I'm trying to keep it going. All right, we're going to start back from the beginning here. So as we enter the foyer here, this is a 9-foot ceiling, 8-foot door. You do have the tray ceiling right here. That would be a structural upgrade. Also, the tile flooring here would be an upgrade. You do have the 6-inch straight edge on the baseboards, orange peel texture with the straight edge cornering. You do have the upgrade. You do have the option to upgrade onto the Spanish. Oh, I can't even remember the name of that damn texture. I'm moving too fast. Skip trawl and the Spanish type texture. I forget the name of it. Oh my gosh, let me know in the comments below. So this is actually your den, okay? And your den is 12 by 14, so it's a pretty decent size, and I love how low this window is right here. So that way you can see outside. Love that. Try to hit on another angle here. There we go. All right, let's go down this way. HOAs are going to be $140 a month. That's the sub and also the master. Now this is your 3-car garage, right? But it's going to be a tandem. So this bedroom that you see here should have been a 3rd-car tandem garage, but what they did was create a suite here, which is, I think it's great for the size of the home. I think this is something that you need to do for the resale value, okay? So let's come in here. It looks like they transition from carpet into the herringbone tile and 0 threshold. So this one is a true 0 threshold. On the other models, for some reason, they had like a little transition here. But I love how this transitions down. But keep in mind, when you do the 0 threshold, you're not going to be able to do the big tiles. You have to do the small tiles, because when it goes from, I think it was like 1 inch down, right? What happens is it has to be smooth. If you have like a 12 by 10, it won't work here, obviously. So you're forced to do smaller tiles, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm explaining myself correctly or not. And I love the fact that they didn't use black grout, because if you use black grout on tile like this, you better make sure that these lines are straight, because I can already like run my fingers above here and you can feel like this is lifted. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Okay, if you use the black tile, it's going to be rough. It's hard to clean up. So we do have nice little quartz undermounted sink. Okay. Somebody's texting me. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here. So you got the alarm system. Coming across the hall, we have our guest bath. Got the pedestal sink. Now typically you can't add a cabinet here, but I like the pedestal sink anyway. Oh, I love how they did this trim right here and did that color block, which is kind of cool. Oh, I love the 3-inch casings around the door. Really nice. They did a lot of upgrades to this home. Now, look at the kitchen cabinets, okay? You got 36 with the double stack, and you got like an 8-inch crown there, which is crazy. And they added this window here, which is really nice. Look at the cabinets. Look at the fixtures. So you got full overlay cabinets with the black cabinets, right? But look how they cut costs, which is such a great idea, because it's like, why spend money on the dovetails, okay? You got to keep in mind, if you're building a home, look at the community that you're building. If you're building a home that's $1 million, you better make sure you got the dovetails. There's certain things that you just need to have. Like this was spec'd out really good. I love the color of the gold brush, which is really nice. And you have the two-tone on the cabinets here. This is gorgeous. Now, they did extend this island. This definitely would have been an upgrade here. I do love this quartz, this black quartz here. So they did black quartz on the island, white cabinets, black cabinets, white quartz. Gorgeous. Wow. Love this. I believe this is a 36-inch KitchenAid. Oh, this is actually a Whirlpool. I'm sorry. Beautiful hood. Now, you should be able to do a full built-in here. Okay. I would do a built-in refrigerator. Let's take a look at your pantry. Nice. Pretty decent size on the pantry here. You do have your convection. You got your microwave. Let's see if they did some pull-out drawers here. You do have some options to do pull-out drawers. Now, I love the fact that they did this white Blanca sink here. $850 just for a sink. That's just crazy, huh? Now, these looks like Traverse LED lights, which nowadays with the Traverse LED lights, you just take off the whole can, right? And replace the whole can. Now, a couple things here. Ceiling height right here, which is, I think it's about 20 feet. I could be wrong. You have this fireplace right here, upgrade right here. Simple fire. Look at this. I'm going to just take you guys over here on this side. Now I'm going to show you what options that you can actually do right here, but I would leave it the way it is. This is just gorgeous. Love that. The fireplace is really nice. As far as like the BTU, I don't remember what the BTUs are. Something that I definitely need to find out. Alexa. Now this is definitely a pretty large living area. Now let's come over here. So you have this slide. Now this slide, you would actually have a window, so that would be a structural upgrade. Also the covered patio too as well. Okay. Take you guys out here. So you do the covered patio, that would be an upgrade. Now a couple configurations that you can do. I forgot to mention the garage. You can extend it by 2 feet. Here, you can also extend the home by 2 feet, gives you more space in the game room area, and I'm going to explain that in just a second when I go upstairs, and also in the master. Or you could do the covered patio that comes out to right about here, off to the master. Now as big as this home is, you're going to have 2 air conditioning units. Now I'm not too sure who the air conditioning unit is. This looks like a Bryant, because typically they're contracted with them. Bryant or Lennar. Oh yeah, this is a Lennar. Bryant's more of a brown color. Look at that. I love that window from the kitchen there. Gorgeous. This lot right here is probably about 65 to 7,000 square feet here. Decent sized backyard. Definitely fit a pool for sure. Looks like you got some floodlights. Also on this build out, they did a pre-wire on all the windows for the alarm system. So that way you can tap into the smart panel box, which is great. Also in the smart panel box here in this community, they also have the Smurf tube down to the D mark, bringing the optic fibers. This right here just tells you it's already pre-wired for every single door and every single window. which is a nice feature to have. Okay. Let's take a look down here. Wow, look at all this room. So we have this stairwell right here as a upgrade. We got 48 inches wide. We're gonna go upstairs. Ugh. Look at all this. Getting tired. Getting tired. I believe on this one right here, so we have our loft area. So on the loft area, you have a couple options that you can do, I believe. This right here, you could do railing here, or you can literally extend this all the way across to make one large game room. However, I love the loft style. I would not do the game room. Let me know what you guys would do in the comments below. Now this one's a little bit unique, okay? So down here we have a bedroom, okay? And this is separate from the other bedrooms. So you have this bathroom that services this bedroom, so it's kind of like their suite, right? Now you can just do a full-on shower, but keep in mind, you need to have at least one tub shower combo. You have to do it for a resale. So not bad. Alright, so let's come on into this room here. So this room looks to be about, look to be. I said look to be. Man, I'm missing my words. It looks like it would be 12 by 11, so it's a pretty decent size. I'm getting a little bit tired, folks. Back is starting to hurt. You know what's weird is after this surgery, it took me days to like start walking. Now that I'm walking, foot is all numb. But you know, I'm kind of like walking with a limp, so it's like throwing my alignment off. And now it's just throwing my alignment off. It's hurting like my back because I'm not walking straight. Does that make sense? But I can't go to a chiropractor just yet because my back is still bruised. But anyway, it's not even about me. I don't even know why I'm talking about me. Wow, look how huge this master. Now, I want you to think about this. You have that balcony that's going to walk all the way out here. And also you can get that extra extension. That's what I like about the Northwest here in Skye Canyon. If you're into like mountain views, because we're elevated pretty high. I mean, look at this. You got like mountains like all the way around. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at all the construction. Right across the street right there's Tow Brothers. Aviano, I think it was called. We did videos on that, so check that playlist. We do have a playlist, so all you got to do is just check the builder. This room is 25 by 18, I think it is. Love that feature wall here. Really nice. Let's come into the bathroom. Gorgeous. Now, I believe this is the standard here, not the tile. Now you do have another option to do a spa-like walk-in shower, right? I don't know. There's always a debate. You should always have a tub in the master. If it's a custom home and if it's big enough, then yes. But a home this size, I would just do a spa-like shower. Oh, you know what? I forgot to open that one closet. Wow, look at the cabinets on here. It's gorgeous. And this is just not justifying it, but wow, look how huge this one is. This closet. If you're gonna do custom closets, make sure to get you with your custom closet guy before you head to the design studio to do the electrical. Find out where you got to run 24 and also your 110. So that way you have power in here. If not, now you're poking holes through your walls and it's costing you more money. Wow. We got 9-foot ceilings above too as well. Love this French door here. You know that's definitely an upgrade. I would probably open up this railing too right here. Just kind of keep it all open, you know. All right. We got a 2-panel door. So on here you have 2 bedrooms, right, on this side. So we had what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 1 suite downstairs. Okay. We had a bedroom here. That's 2. Masters 3, 4, 5. So that's the option. So now, the other way that you can do this, because right down the middle here's the Jack and Jill. Okay. The other option that you can do, take this bedroom, slide it right here across here, then the full bathroom is going to be on this side. Let me know if you prefer to have 1 full bathroom on this side or have the Jack and Jill. So these rooms are 11 by 12. Pretty small and pretty tight. I'm going to say it's probably a little bit smaller than that. I didn't check the description. I think it's 11 by 10. Well, this is a decent size closet for sure. So here's your Jack and Jill. So you got your Corian, fiberglass, sink. Here's your tub shower combo 4-piece. And walk it back this way. Here we go. Getting a little bit tired. Gotta push through. Push through. So you guys already know the options that you have here. You could just do the pre-plumb. That's what they did here. That runs at about $350 to $450 again, depending on the builder. You know, cabinets already upgrade. I love the fact that they have a window inside the laundry room. Smart panel box. We're not gonna go through the smart panel box. If you want to see what's in the smart panel box, go ahead and watch the Park Lane. It's 3 videos before this video. Okay. Woohoo! We're done. We are done. Love this though. Again, guys, give me a thumbs up as well. Helps the algorithm. The more thumbs up I get, that really motivates me to do more videos. That's right. Also, haven't told you guys this in a while. It needs to be known that I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Okay? Really, really do mean it. It has helped me, all the team members on the team, and you guys, again, you guys really helped us out, man. We would not be where we are at today, if it wasn't because of each and every one of you guys subscribing to this channel and calling us to earn your business. That is right, folks. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed, guys. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.